Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Urban Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, Snehabalang Dhar, said under the Shillong Smart City project, the state government has almost completed 3 projects. Those are construction of a commercial complex at Polo, redevelopment of Laimukra Municipal Market, implementation of integrated command and control center and smart elements. When asked about the construction of 6-kilometer smart roads phase 1 in Shillong under Smart City mission, the minister said the problem is with the land, which hinders the completion of the project.
Factory is underway now. Mokhar and Milan and recently 2 parties yet to construct. So even we have seen Milan this last few weeks. So CM has visited some places over and we are planning. So within 1 year and a half, I think 1,000 plus minus new parties come up. Some of them is implementation, some is yet to implement, some is under progress. Very, very smooth progress on Smart City.
Yes, sir.
You can come with me along and then I will inspect all the Smart City project I'll tell you.
Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Urban Affairs